Today we're doing calculus 1 limits. Let's get started. Okay, so we are looking at the limit as x approaches 5 of 5x squared minus 18x minus 35 over x minus 5. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is try to insert the limiting value. The limiting value in this problem is that 5 under the LIM next to the x. Yeah, you're going to try to put that in place of all the x's to see if we get some kind of numeric value. So basically everywhere you see an x, plug in that 5. Well, what does that look like? 5 times 5 squared minus 18 times 5 minus 35 over 5 minus 5. Now, if you throw it in the calculator, work it out by hand, you're going to get 0 over 0. Well, that's not going to fly in this class. 0 over 0 is the undeterminate form. We can't do that, okay? So now, when we do that, when we run into that problem, we're going to try to use algebra manipulation. Typically, that's the next step that you're going to take when you do these types of problems. The algebra manipulation that I'm referring to in this problem is factoring. I'm looking at that numerator where the a is greater than 1. We have a trinomial. We can try and factor this thing, okay? So if we factor this thing, it looks like it's going to give us the limit as x approaches 5 of 5x plus 7 times x minus 5 over x minus 5. Well, use your algebra brain here. You see what the x minus 5s are going to do. They're going to cancel, right? So after that happens, you're going to write what's left over. Okay, so that's the limit as x approaches 5 of 5x plus 7. Okay, so after the first time that I tried to insert the limiting value and it didn't work, it doesn't mean that you give up. You keep trying after something like this happens. So we can go ahead and try to insert that 5 again. Just put it in place of that x. We have 5 times 5 plus 7. Well, 5 times 5 is 25 plus 7 is 32. And it looks like we got a numeric value. So let's go ahead and answer this question. The limit as x approaches 5 of 5x squared minus 18x minus 35 over x minus 5 is 32. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your questions, comments, and concerns below, and I'll see you next time.